friends, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm really excited to share this stamp set with you because I've been waiting to share it with you. Like, I mean, months and months and months I've been waiting to share it with you. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It is called Bumblebees2stamp, and it is bees. Now, let me just tell you, I love bees, except when they sting my dog because she's allergic. But other than that, I love bees because you know what? We need bees. Bees do a lot in our lives. I mean, obviously they make us honey, but they're needed for pollination. So they're very, very important to us. And so whenever I see a bee, I'm very, very happy. Now, this bee set is really awesome because not only does it have this gorgeous hanging hive, but it has all these cute little bees, and then it has a lot of cute sayings. So it has, "You are as sweet as can be," "Buzzing by to say," "Be kind," "Hive got news," get it, hive, "Believe in yourself," "Hi," "Hive been missing you," "Congrats on your new hive." Now, I also included this little black oval, and you're thinking, what is that for? Well, that's to make a hole for the bees to go into the hive. I wanted to make it separate because what if you wanted it to be up here? What if you wanted it to be down here? What if you wanted it to be on the side? I wanted to give you more options, and so that's what I did. Now, Stamp Club members, this stamp set is already on its way to you because, as you know, Ken gets up extra early and gets them in the mail ASAP on the 1st. That is for the Stamp Club. If you are in the Die Hard Club, which is our most popular club, by the way, because you get the stamps and the dies that match. Dun 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 dun. Look at this. You are getting the dies that match. Now, I did the inside die. I did the oval. I actually gave you 2 ovals because I'm really worried you're going to lose one. So I gave you 2. Now, when I say you lose one, I mean Stephanie's going to lose one. So that's why I put in 2. And then I gave you the little bees. And I did the bees over here with a smaller shadow. So you'll be able to die cut them and then stamp and they'll have a smaller shadow. And you know what? You are going to love the samples. But before I show you the samples, I need to tell you that there are so many other add-on items that you kind of have to have. Not have to, but you're gonna want. And let me tell you, you're gonna want them. So make sure you go check out the other video because you're definitely gonna want them. Now, club members, of course, you also know that you're gonna get this idea card in your packet. Now, the idea card is also going to list the other matching items because it's important. So someday, like in 6 months, when you pull this out, you're going to say, oh, what matches this? And you're going to have all of that information already on here, which is really handy. And these cards are only available to club members. So you definitely want to make sure you're in the club to get that. Now, let's look at our amazing samples because, as I always mention, they are amazing. So here's a cute one with pink bees. Absolutely love the idea of doing them in pink. How fun. Beautiful. Look at how gorgeous that hive is. So fun. Open that up. You are as sweet as can be. So cute. Now, you might see a couple sneak peeks for the add-ons, by the way. Here's a cute one. Look at that hive. I'm telling you, I love that hive, how it goes off the edge of the card. Buzzing by to say, you are as sweet as can be. Notice that hive is perfect for a horizontal or a vertical card. A2 in size. Both versions will fit on there. Look how awesome that is. Oh my goodness gracious. You know I love my pink. You know I love my pink. Look at these fun pink flowers. You are as sweet as can be. I love that. Put your message on the inside. Look at how gorgeous this one is. So cute. Look at all those fun little bees. Now, Michelle made this one using one of our step cards, and I love how she added some acetate back here. So those bees literally look like they're flying in midair. Isn't that fun? I love that. Congrats on your new hive. And Michelle also used the strip dies for that wording right there, which is so awesome. Love it, love it, love it. Then over here we have, look how cute this is, Just Be. I love that. Just be happy, thankful, joyful. Lots of sneak peeks on this one. Lots of sneak peeks on this one. Don't worry, you don't have to wait because they're all available now. Let me just tell you that now. Oh my goodness, here's a cute one. Using our hexagons to love. Love that stamp set. You are as sweet as honey. Look at those cute little guys with those fun little layers, those flowers to layer also on there. This is so cute. Just be you. Now, what about this? What about this? Look at how gorgeous that is. Using lots of different products. The cloud border, cloud border to layers. I'm sorry, to ink, which is really fun. Doily number 5, quirky alphabet, grass die, fence die, bumblebees to stamp, garden to stamp. Look at how beautiful that is. Spring has sprung. Open that up. Be happy. I love that be happy, by the way. And then here's a cute one. You know I love these little scrapbook pages that Linda makes. Look at how cute this one is. Sweet as honey. Using our Bear Fold It. Now, I'm just thinking that Bear Fold It is perfect for these, right? Am I right? Look how cute that is. I absolutely love that. So, club members, yours are already on their way to you. If you're not in the club, you are missing out. 15% discount off of everything on our website if you're in the Stamper Die Hard Club. Make sure you go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, and just watch the video. No obligation. You know what? I have a feeling you're going to fall in love. And if you liked any of these products, you're definitely going to love the club. So, club members, you know yours are already on their way to you. If I went too fast on any of these samples, never fear. They're all in our online gallery. Click on these products, click on the View Online Gallery, and you'll see all of the awesome products on that gallery. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.